Hi everyone, this is Mohammed Rafi Ali. I'm working at Aramco Trading at the moment. I'm in supply chain with them, and it's been 10 years in supply chain professional. And frankly speaking, I've never gone to any supply chain course in the last 10 years. It was all hands-on experience from where I learned supply chain. It is the first opportunity I got in my career to be a student of supply chain. And it was amazing with LEORON and David Thoma, my mentor, who was really professional and gave us a lot of examples to make us understand the whole concepts, different processes, different methodologies to apply in our life on supply chain. So I highly appreciate and recommend everyone to take the course of CSCP through LEORON. Thanks.